So you're welcome to this online tutorial. This tutorial I have 3 away of Autogele, which is what I'm trying to show. I've cut one of the away, so I kept the remaining 2 away now. So for this tutorial I cut 20 inches in 3 places. If you use scissors, if you use so the iron to cut it, cut 20 in 3 places. But if you use scissors to cut 21. That is what I'm showing. Cut 21 inches in 3 places. Because scissors, it will be the fray edges will be removing with scissors. But if you use the iron, once you cut it like that, it stays. So you put them together like this and join them together, just the way we join our Autogele together. So this is it here. I've joined them together. Then you start your pleats from the first line like that. You pin it down. You pleat just the way we do our multi-pleated round band, exactly just like that. But in this case, you are going to pleat only 1 away. The remaining 2 away is going to be used to cover the head. So as you can see, I'm trying to pin down the first pleat. So when I pleat down the first pleat, I will take it to my sewing machine and stitch from one end to the other. Then you bring it back. So that is it. I'm done pinning it down. So you sew from one end to the other end. Then when I'm done sewing, I start with the second pleat like that. So that is how I'm going to pleat on it, to pleat on only 1 away of it, only 1 away. That is where I'm going to stop. From that place to that place, I'm going to stop there. So I'll go and pleat it right now and come back to show us what I've done. So now this is it. I'm done pleating it. You can see I'm done pleating it. We all know how to pleat, just the way we pleat our multi-pleated round band. That is how we are going to pleat it. Then the next thing is to fold in the fray edges to stitch that place down. You can see the way I'm working on it on the wrong side. That is what I'm showing, on the wrong side. So you turn it to the wrong side and fold in that place like that till you get to up before where you pleated. Leave where you pleated. That is what I'm showing. So you do that on both sides. So as you can see, I'm done pleating. This is it. I'm done pleating it, both sides. You know how to sew. So now the next thing now is to cut out 10 inches. I've put that aside. So I will cut out 10 inches. That is what I've measured. 10 inches is what I'm cutting out. 10 inches. So I'll fold the 10 inches into 2 and divide it into 2. So it will now give me 5 inches each. So that will be 5 inches. So you fold it very well like that to create the edge and divide it into 2. So that is it now. So this is it, 5 inches. Then I brought back the body of my Autogele. So just watch what I will do. That edge, that weave edge is what is going to be placed like that, the weave edge. So that is it. So you place it like that, making sure that those edges align with where you have just sewn, with the edge of where you have just sewn on the body of our turban cap. Make sure it aligns together. That is what I'm demonstrating there. So make sure it aligns together like that and make sure it is equal. Turn it very well to be equal. Pin it down. Once you have achieved the fact that it is equal, then you pin it down. So when you pin it down like that, so you stitch from one end down to the other end. you stitch from up down, from down up. So when you finish stitch, you turn it out like that. Then you close you close that place to where my hand is. You close up, you close down. Sorry, I don't know how I skipped that side of the video. So you fold in that place and sew down. So that is what I'm going to do now. So I'll do that on the two sides. If you watch that part and you don't understand, you can call me. I will explain. So I'm done stitching those sides up. So that's called Velcro tape. What I'm holding is called Velcro tape. It has the harsh side and the soft side. So those are the two sides of it, the harsh side and the soft side. So you just take your Velcro tape like that, just put it on it. Whatever the measurement of that place gives you is what you are going to cut out. You don't need to measure before, just place it on it the way I place it and cut it out like that. So that is it that I've cut out there. So watch how I'm going to place the Velcro tape on it. So with the wrong side facing me, that's the wrong side facing me, because that's how we're going to put the gele on our head. So with the wrong side facing me like that, look at my left hand side. See the way I folded it in is the harsh side. That is what I'm trying to show. The harsh side of the Velcro tape is what you are going to place on that particular place. The harsh side of the Velcro tape. So you pin it down. Then you take the soft side. You place it where, just watch very well. You will get it where I'm placing it like that. Then you pin it down too. So you pin both down before you take it to your sewing machine to stitch it down. So that is it. The soft side, the harsh side. So you can see that's how it's going to be. I'm demonstrating it. So you now take it to your sewing machine and stitch it round. So the reason why the harsh side is down and the soft one is up is when you try to place it on your hair, so that the harsh side will not gum on your hair. It can pull your hair. So but with the soft side on that side, on my right hand, it will not do that. So you sew from that end down to this end and to back to where you started from. You make sure you stitch down very well, because it's something that is going to be opening and closing. So you stitch it down very well. You stitch down the two like that. So that is what I'm going to do now. So this is it. I'm done stitching it down. So look at our Autogele base is ready. Our Autogele base is ready. So that is how to sew round Autogele base.